Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy to see you here today.
How are you doing today?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking, and I am very excited about today's lesson.
Me too. Today, we are going to talk about something super interesting.
Yes, today we will learn about the history of humans.
Don't worry, we will keep it simple and easy. You will learn new vocabulary and practice speaking.
That's right. And the best part is you will learn real English conversation.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Yes, it helps us a lot, and it helps other learners find us too.
Okay, are you ready to learn?
Let's do it.
So let's talk about the history of humans. Where should we start?
Great question. Let's start from the very beginning, from ancient times.
Ancient times. Can you explain that word, ancient?
Sure. Ancient means very, very old, from a long time ago.
So ancient times means a long, long time ago.
Exactly. We are talking about thousands and thousands of years ago.
Wow, that is really old. So what happened in ancient times?
Well, in ancient times, our ancestors lived very differently than we do today.
Wait, what does ancestors mean?
Good question. Ancestors are the people who lived before us, like your great-great-great-grandparents.
Oh, so our ancestors are our family from a long time ago.
Yes, perfect. Our ancestors lived thousands of years ago.
I understand. So what did our ancestors do in ancient times?
They were hunter-gatherers. They hunted animals and gathered food from nature.
Hunter-gatherers. That's an interesting word. Let me repeat it. Hunter-gatherers.
Yes, hunter-gatherers. They hunted for meat and gathered plants, fruits, and nuts.
So they didn't have supermarkets like we do today.
No supermarkets. They had to find their own food every day.
That sounds very hard.
It was hard, but they survived. Survived means they stayed alive.
Our ancestors survived by hunting and gathering food.
Exactly right. You are doing great.
Thank you. So how did they live? Did they have houses?
Not really. They lived in caves or made simple shelters from wood and leaves.
Caves, like a big hole in a mountain?
Yes, exactly. A cave is a natural space inside a mountain or hill.
So ancient humans lived in caves? That is so different from today.
Very different. Now let me ask you something. How did humans change over time?
That's a good question. I think they evolved.
Perfect. They evolved. Evolved means they changed slowly over a long time.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, ancient humans were shorter and had bigger jaws. Over thousands of years, they evolved and became taller.
So evolved means to change slowly, little by little.
Exactly. Humans evolved over millions of years.
Millions of years? That is hard to imagine.
I know, it's amazing. Now let's talk about an important moment in history.
Okay, what is it?
About 10,000 years ago, humans discovered farming.
Discovered farming. What does discovered mean?
Discovered means they found something new or learned something new.
So they discovered farming. They learned how to farm.
Yes, they learned how to plant seeds and grow food.
That is a big change. Why was farming so important?
Because before farming, people had to move around to find food. They were always traveling.
So they didn't have a home.
Not a permanent home, but after they discovered farming, they could stay in one place.
Oh, because they could grow their own food.
Exactly, you got it. They didn't have to hunt and gather anymore.
So farming changed everything.
Yes, it changed everything. People built villages and towns. They started to create civilization.
Civilization? That's a big word. What does it mean?
Civilization means an organized society with culture, cities, and rules.
So when people started farming, they created civilization.
Yes, perfect. The first civilizations appeared about 5,000 years ago.
Where did the first civilizations appear?
Great question. In places like Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, and China.
Those are all ancient civilizations.
Exactly, ancient civilizations. They built amazing things like pyramids and temples.
And they invented writing too, right?
Yes, that's another important word. Invented. Invented means to create something new.
So ancient civilizations invented writing.
Correct. They invented writing so they could record information and tell stories.
That is so cool. Let me practice. Humans invented many things.
Great job. What else did humans invent?
Humans invented the wheel, tools, and fire.
Perfect. Those are all important inventions. Let's repeat together. Humans invented the wheel.
Humans invented the wheel.
Humans invented writing.
Humans invented writing.
Excellent. You are doing amazing.
Thank you. Now I want to ask you something. How did humans go from ancient times to modern times?
That's a big question. It happened slowly over thousands of years.
Can you give me some examples?
Sure. After ancient civilizations, there were many periods of history, like the Middle Ages, the Renaissance, and the Industrial Revolution.
The Industrial Revolution. I know that one. That's when people invented machines that could make things faster.
Yes, exactly. About 200 years ago, people invented machines that could make things faster.
So humans went from farming by hand to using machines.
Correct. And then we invented electricity, cars, airplanes, and computers.
Wow, humans invented so many things.
We did, and we are still inventing new things today.
That's true. Okay, let's practice with some role play. I will ask you questions about the history of humans.
Great idea. I'm ready.
Okay, first question. What did ancient humans do to get food?
Ancient humans were hunter-gatherers. They hunted animals and gathered plants.
Perfect. Next question. What does evolved mean?
Evolved means to change slowly over a long time.
Great job. Now tell me, what did humans discover 10,000 years ago?
Humans discovered farming. They learned how to grow their own food.
Excellent. Last question. What does invented mean?
Invented means to create something new.
Perfect. You did so well.
Thank you. Now it's your turn to answer. Are you ready?
Yes, ask me anything.
Okay. Who are our ancestors?
Our ancestors are the people who lived before us. They are our family from ancient times.
Great. Next question. What is a civilization?
A civilization is an organized society with culture, cities, and rules.
Perfect. One more. Where did ancient humans live?
Ancient humans lived in caves or simple shelters.
Excellent. You got all the answers right.
Thank you. This was fun.
Now let's review everything we learned today.
Good idea. We learned about ancient times. Ancient means very old, from a long time ago.
We learned about ancestors. Ancestors are people who lived before us.
We learned that ancient humans were hunter-gatherers. They hunted and gathered food.
We learned that humans evolved over millions of years. Evolved means to change slowly.
We learned that humans discovered farming 10,000 years ago.
And we learned that humans invented many things like writing, the wheel, and machines.
These are all important words for talking about history.
Yes, and you can use these words in everyday conversation too.
For example, you can say, my ancestors came from Italy.
Or you can say scientists discovered a new planet.
Or Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone.
Perfect examples. See how easy it is?
Let's practice one more time. Repeat after me. Ancient times.
Ancient times.
Our ancestors.
Our ancestors.
They discovered farming.
They discovered farming.
Humans evolved over time.
Humans evolved over time.
They invented many things.
They invented many things.
Great job, everyone! You are learning so fast.
We are so proud of you. Keep practicing these words and phrases.
Yes, use them when you talk about history or when you tell stories.
The more you practice, the better you'll get.
That's right. Practice makes perfect.
Okay, everyone, we are almost at the end of today's lesson.
We hope you enjoyed learning about the history of humans.
We had so much fun teaching you today.
Now we have homework for you. Yes, homework.
Don't worry, it's easy and fun.
We want you to leave a comment and tell us this. Which period of human history interests you the most?
Do you like ancient times or the invention of farming or maybe modern civilization?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video.
Also, please like this video and share it with your friends who are learning English.
It really helps us a lot.
Thank you so much for watching today.
You are doing great.